London's point blank music school studio sessions.
Welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. My name's Henry.
And I'm Sadis.
This is where we bring you some of the best talent from Point Blank Music School straight to your screens.
And here today to perform an acoustic rendition of her song Dusk Til Dawn, we have the award-winning Filipino actress, singer-songwriter, Glaiza de Castro.
Again at you today, and like the person that I saw, this is how I wanted you to be. You played the game from dusk till dawn. You took the chance and risked it all. Are you a better version of me? It's funny how I have to feel with one's ideal, the other's real. So tell me, is this how I'm supposed to be? You try to follow what is right, tried everything to win the fight. Can we overcome this ruleless night? Open up my eyes and see the rules are there to set me free. I keep on chasing, but the world won't let me be. They break me now, but I'm still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that my love is meant for some. Resilient minds are up against your wall, content in silence in the end. Would you rather have it all? But they won't mind, so what's to hide? We've heard it all before. I guess there's just one knocking at your door. Open up your eyes and see the rules are there to set you free. You keep on chasing, but the world won't let you be. They break you now, but you're still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that your love is meant for some. And every time we feel the fall, we get back up, we face, we roll. Disguised in blackness, fade to new. The sun will rise to wash it through. Together we can see it coming. The colors of once wilted end will soon be walking on a dream again. To set us free, we keep on chasing, but the world won't let us be. They break us now, but we're still here. This light inside won't disappear. Believe that our love is meant for something real. Ooh.
Hello, Glaiza.
Hello.
Welcome to Point Blank Studio Sessions.
Thank you for having me. Oh my gosh.
Great performance, by the way.
Yeah, it was
Thank
amazing.
you.
Yeah.
Thank
Really
you.
good.
Well done.
You've been acting and singing from such a young age. When
Yeah.
was it when you started?
I think I started when I was just 15. But I really, really love singing. So when I was just growing up, I started singing in church, basketball leagues. What's that? Basketball leagues, because one of my
basketball
uncles,
leagues.
he's into basketball. So he
What, like
he didn't-
half time?
No, it's like a community basketball league. It's
Okay.
just one of those small events that he
so not
likes.
actual basketball.
It is, but not really like a professional thing. It's just one
Intrigued.
of those,
Like
community
basketball in the park kind of thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, I've
like
got you.
that. So he'd invite me, and he would be like, "Oh, Glaiza, can you sing?" And I'd sing Celine Dion songs, you know. So yeah, but when I was growing up, acting is becoming more like a profession, like a job to me, and I was getting more opportunities for that. So I kind of like
We've seen.
Yeah, and I was kind of focused on that, and then singing was just like, a hobby, and but at the back of my mind, I still have that thought that what if I pursue singing? What if I learn music, and this is just a dream for me. Few months ago, I was just sitting there asking one of the staff if about Point Blank music, and I'm just so blessed to be here and to be able to pursue what I really love to do.
No, man, congratulations on everything you've
Thank
done
you.
as well, because we looked you up a little bit and we could
You've
see
done your research.
we did our research.
We've been
That's
stalking
good.
you.
And we could say like you've dropped like 4 albums,
Yeah.
you've done all of these movies, you've won all these awards, you've been in like, what was it, top 40 most beautiful girl in the world magazine lists. It's crazy.
Mad.
With all of your achievements in music and in film, what's brought you to London? What made you choose London, and how important has it been for you, or is it for you, to break the European scene?
Well, London is just so diverse. Like when it comes to music, culture, films, art, everything. Like I was just so fascinated when I was in high school. I'd like listen to post-punk bands, and I think one of my influences is an 80s band called The Sundays. So it kind of influenced me to write songs. And I don't know, for me, it's not too late to learn something new. And I've experienced singing and performing in front of TV and stage, but there's just something in me that want to, break through. Like I want to do something else. Like I want to expand. I want to reach out others and learn from other cultures and people as well. So and when I come back, I can share this experience to them, and I can tell them that you guys, if you want to do something, you gotta do it, even if you're doing acting for a long time. If there's something inside you that you want to share, do it. And
Well, speaking
Absolutely.
of acting, we were going to put you to the test here.
Yeah, we are.
Have you ever heard of EastEnders?
no, actually,
haven't?
I have.
Well, you are in for a treat. So we've got a little scene, haven't we, from EastEnders?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a soap. It's a British soap.
Yeah.
It's not great.
I heard, but
It's fantastic. We're talking about
Back in the day, it was good.
I heard it's been going on for like a century.
It's
Yeah,
still
yeah.
airing.
Century.
A long time. So we picked a classic scene from EastEnders, and we thought we'd act it out a little bit.
Okay.
You up for it?
Yeah.
Bit
Right.
of live action. And action. Pat Butcher walks into a crowded pub. Everyone stops to stare. Tensions are high.
Gin and tonic, please.
That's you. Oh no, that's absolutely me. It's absolutely me.
Right, let's start again.
Okay.
Cut! You lot are useless.
Gin and tonic, please.
I don't think so.
It's all right. I'll get that.
There you go. Bit of gin for you. What are you doing around here anyway?
Okay. Now, you dirty, rotten man! Get out of my pub right now! Get out!
I'm not going anywhere until I've had my drink.
You're a disgrace! Out! Out!
Wow.
That was absolutely brilliant.
I love how you call Pat Butcher a dirty, rotten man. That's class.
She did look a bit like a man, to be fair.
She did today. Oh, amazing. Thank you so
Wicked.
much.
Thank you so much. That was awesome.
Thank you.
I'll see you next time for Point Blank Studio
Yes,
sessions.
man. It all goes down right here. London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions.